Ready to replace your furnace in Sioux City, Iowa? Get expert advice from Excel Comfort, a leading Sioux City HVAC contractor, and Daikin Comfort Pro. Daikin, the world leader in heating and cooling products, provides a broad assortment of high-efficiency gas furnaces. Many are ENERGY STAR rated. Many Sioux City homeowners ask, should I repair or replace my furnace? The answer is, it depends. Is your furnace over 12 years old? Do you have high energy bills? Is your furnace blowing cold air? Does your furnace make loud noise? Has your furnace been regularly maintained? When it's time to upgrade your Sioux City furnace, it's time for a Dakin Comfort Pro. You'll get access to a broad range of products, backed up by exceptional warranties and peace of mind with the Dakin Comfort Promise. The Dakin Comfort Pro will return to your house to resolve any issues you have with installation at no cost to you. Don't get left out in the cold this winter. A new high-efficiency furnace by Daikin will keep you cozy all winter while reducing your energy bills. Get a free consultation today. Call Excel Comfort at 712-223-8101.